What's up, folks? Thanks for checking out my channel, Big T's Recipes. I'm Tyler, and today I'm making an all-time favorite dish, all gratin cheesy chicken spaghetti. It's creamy, it's cheesy, and it is packed full of chicken. You're gonna want to check this out. All right, folks, this is Louisiana. We have had record snow and ice for the past 7 days. As you can see the street here. We have been unable to leave our house to get anything from the grocery store, meat, vegetables. The cheesy chicken spaghetti that I'm making today are all things that I had in my freezer or in my pantry to make a great meal. Always keep things on hand for times like these because you never know when you're gonna need it. All right, first thing we're gonna do is get our water boiling. I'm actually gonna use leftover chicken stock. This is just gonna add flavor. If you don't have it, that's fine. Just use water. Get our heat on high. Bring this to a boil. Then we're gonna put in our boneless, skinless chicken breast and boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Okay, we've got our liquid boiling. I'm going in with the chicken. I've got 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I've got some boneless, skinless chicken thighs too, but I'm not gonna put these in at the moment. I'm gonna let this come back to a boil. Once it's boiling, I'm gonna cover it and turn my fire to a low heat. We're gonna cook this chicken for 10 to 15 minutes. It's gonna be very tender, easy to pull and chop up for our cheesy chicken spaghetti. Our chicken is cooked. I removed it, let it cool, and just gave it a good rough chop. In the same pot, using the same liquid, I brought it back to a boil, and I'm gonna put my noodles in. I'm using spaghetti. You can use whatever noodles you have on hand. Cook these noodles, however the box says, probably gonna be 9 to 11 minutes. Time to make our cheese sauce. I'm gonna get this pot over medium heat, drop a tablespoon of butter, let that melt. I'm gonna take 1 can of Rotel that I have drained, 1 can of cream of chicken soup, 1 can cream of mushroom, 4 ounces of cream cheese, and 1 pound of Velveeta, the good stuff. I am gonna add a couple dollops of sour cream just to make it creamier and delicious. Let's get this mixed and stirred well. All right, time for the chicken. Once you get this cheese sauce melted, we're gonna drop this chicken that I have just rough chopped. There's chicken breast and chicken thighs. Get a little bit of the white and the dark meat. You just wanna mix that up. We've got about a minute left on these noodles, and we will be almost there. Noodles are finished. Our cheese sauce is ready. I'm gonna take these noodles straight out of this liquid into the pot. I don't wanna drain this water yet. This will also help thin out your cheese sauce and help the noodles from sticking together. Just as many as you can get in there. Look, this is ready to eat now. We are gonna do an au gratin topping and bake it. Also, if you're looking for like a low carb or no carb, leave the noodles out and just eat the chicken and cheese sauce. All right, so I'm about to start stirring the cheese sauce and noodles. You want to get that all mixed together. And while I'm doing this, I'm going to preheat my oven to 350 degrees. Look at that. I wish I could just eat that right now. Time to assemble. take a greased baking tray. We're gonna dump our mixture. Spread it out evenly. Good call on this pan. This is a lot of chicken spaghetti. All right, so I've got about 3/4 of a cup of seasoned Panko breadcrumbs. I'm not gonna have to add any seasoning to this. If you use plain, add your favorite seasoning, salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, garlic powder. I've got 2 tablespoons of butter that I'm gonna mix with this. Just give it a good toss. Then give it a nice little spray. This is gonna help brown. Our oven is ready. We're going in for 15 to 20 minutes. Cheesy chicken spaghetti is finished. I just pulled it out of the oven. It's bubbly, smells amazing. I can't wait to take a bite. But I have to bring in my wife, Megan, because she's the #1 taste tester.
And I love pasta.
She does.
One of my favorite dishes. Cheers.
Good?
I love the Rotel. It gives it just the perfect amount of seasoning, I think.
Yeah, no, it's really good. The crust from that panko gives it a nice little crisp bite. So cheesy, ton of chicken, just combines with that spaghetti noodle. It's awesome. We're gonna love this. If you learned something new today, hit that like button and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss Big T's next recipe.
And if it wasn't for him, I'd be hungry.
Cheers.
We'll see y'all next time.
What's up, folks? Thanks for checking out my channel, Big T's Recipes. I'm Tyler, and today I'm making a am I supposed to say classic?
Favorite.
My bad. And today I'm making an all-time favorite dish, au gratin cheesy chicken spaghetti. This is actually one of my wife's favorite dishes. I shouldn't have said that. Noodles are finished. Cream, cheesy salt, no, start over. Bonehead move on my part. I made this on Friday. Today's actually Saturday. It is the Lenten season and we don't eat meat, chicken, on Friday. So make this nice chicken cheesy spaghetti and then have to make a grilled cheese. So, hey, it happens.
The grilled cheese was delicious though.
And
we had broccoli and cheese soup, so it wasn't too bad.
Had to stare at this though, unfortunately.
But we gave some to our neighbors.
That's right.